Welcome back to our example where we compute the cost of a coffee. So I have copied the code over and let us execute and visualize this code. So let's start. Okay. Notice initially I say that any coffee will be $5.50. Okay. Now I will then create a variable called total coffee cost, which will be the variable that contains the final cost of the coffee. Initially, it will have the same cost as the base cost. Why did I do that? Well, because if I say no here, no here, and no here, then total coffee cost will still be correct. Okay, so let's enter yes. Okay, great. Let's enter yes again. Okay, notice these are strings. And let's enter yes again for cream. Okay. Actually, let's enter no. Let's enter no. Okay. So Python will do the first check, right? Okay. Is size yes? Okay. Well, it is. So Python will say the cost should be increased by $1. Right? Notice it's now 650. Now Python will go to the next if. Okay. So it will check for sugar, and so it's yes, and so my cost will go up by $3. Finally, Python will do the last check, which is on line 20, and this one happens to be no, so Python will not execute line 21. Instead, it will jump immediately to line 24, where it will print the final cost of the coffee. If we do this again, all right, and we execute or we type yes for each one of them. Okay, yes, yes, and yes. Okay. Then each of the conditions will be executed. Line 15 will be executed, line 18 will be executed, and line 21 will be executed. Okay, and finally, line 24 will execute, which tells me the total cost of the coffee. Okay, so the takeaway, okay, is once you have separate ifs, Python will check each of them. Okay, and so this is what you must remember. They will each be checked. So if you have, let's say, 10 separate ifs, Python is required to check each and every one of them. Okay, so as you get better at coding, you will understand when you should use the if, elif, else block, or if you should use just a bunch of chain ifs or a bunch of independent ifs. Okay, great. So what we will do in the next video is to put together all that we have learned concerning conditionals and write a program that encompasses everything. I will see you in the next video.